Hello students, today we are going to see a very familiar topic which is agriculture. As you all know, agriculture describes the practice of growing crops or raising animals. The word agriculture is derived from the Latin word agricultura, where agri means field and cultura means cultivation. Agriculture. Agriculture is the process of planting crops and raising of the domesticated animals. In India, about 50% of the population are employed in agriculture, and India accounts for about 25% of the national income through agriculture. Determinants of agriculture. Agriculture in India is determined by a set of factors, which includes physical factors, institutional factors, infrastructural factors, and technological factors. Physical factors includes the relief, climate, and soil. So, agriculture in any area depends upon the type of soil, climatic condition, and the topography of the region. That is, whether the surface is a plain, plateau, or a mountain. Next is the institutional factors. The size of the farm determines the productivity. That is, if the size of the farm is less or if it is fragmented, then the yield will be also less. Next comes the land tenure. Tenure system defines who can hold and use resources for what length of time and under what conditions. And land reforms means transfer of ownership of the land from more powerful to less powerful person. The third is the infrastructural factors. The availability of irrigation, power supply, transport facility, credit, that is the availability of low interest loan, market, that is the marketing of the agricultural produces, availability of insurance in case of any destruction, and storage facilities. All these comes under the infrastructural factors. And the last is the technological factors. If the farmer uses a high yielding variety of seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, and machinery, then the outcome will be also high. So these are the some of the important factors which determine the agriculture in India. Types of farming. In India, the following types of farming are practiced. First, we will see about the subsistence farming. In the subsistence type of farming, the farmers follow traditional method, which gives low productivity because the farmers who follow the subsistence farming are usually poor. They cannot afford to buy modern equipments, or they cannot afford to buy high inputs like fertilizers, pesticides, high yielding seeds, etc. In this type of farming, the farmers grow food crops to meet the needs of themselves and their family. A very little of the remaining is sold for income. In this type of farming, all the members of the family, that is the farmer's family, all the members are involved and they work together in the agricultural field. This type of farming is usually practiced in Punjab, some parts of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Shifting agriculture. This type of agriculture is performed by tribal people. First, they choose a piece of forest land and they involve in clearing that land by cutting down the trees and burning them. Later, they mix the ashes with the soil and crops are grown. After cultivating the crops for 2 or 3 years, the farmers then move to new areas and the process will be repeated there. They cultivate some grains and vegetable crops using the manual labor. Shifting agriculture is also called as slash and burn cultivation. Shifting agriculture is called by different names in different regions in India. In Assam, it is called as Jam. In Kerala, shifting agriculture is called as Poonam. In Andhra and Odisha, it is called as Podu. And in Madhya Pradesh, it is called as Bivar, Mashan, Penda, Beira, etc. Intensive farming. Intensive farming is a kind of agriculture where lot of money and labor are used. Large amount of labors are required for application of fertilizers and insecticides. Initial capital amount is particularly important to buy high efficient machinery for planting, cultivating and harvesting, and also to buy modern irrigation equipments. The optimal use of these material and machines produce significantly greater crop yield. This intensification and mechanization has also been applied to the raising of livestock, where billions of animals such as cows, pigs and chickens are being held indoors. They have become known as factory farms. This intensive farming is practiced in Punjab, parts of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Dry farming. This type of farming is practiced in arid areas, that is in the dry region where there is no irrigation facilities. The crops which can withstand dry conditions are mainly cultivated here. Other crops are also grown here with the help of irrigation, but the yield will be generally low. Most of the areas under dry cultivation can cultivate only one crop per year. This type of farming is practiced in drier parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, etc. Mixed farming agriculture. Mixed farming is a type of farming which involves both the growing of crops and the raising of livestock. For example, as you can see in this picture, a mixed farm may grow cereal crops, fodder crops, etc. The fodder crops are used to feed the animals. They also keep cattle, sheep, pigs or poultry for meat or milk. The dung from the cattle, that is the waste of the cattle, are used to fertilize the crops. And in turn the fodder crops acts as the food for the animals. So this method of farming is called as mixed farming agriculture. Per drop more crop. The government of India has introduced a scheme on micro irrigation to promote the modern irrigation techniques such as the drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation technologies. The 5 states which has been benefited by this micro irrigation scheme are Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. Terrace cultivation. Terrace farming is carried out on the slopes of mountains. Terraces are built on the slopes of the mountains or hills to create flat lands and to grow crops. Since the soil erosion is very common in the slopes, soil erosion is also checked every now and then. In our country, terrace cultivation takes place in the states of Punjab, Meghalaya, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. Now let us have a short review on today's class. In today's class, we studied about agriculture, the determinants of agriculture, and the types of farming. Under the types of farming, we studied about the subsistence farming, shifting agriculture, mixed farming agriculture, intensive farming, dry farming, and terrace cultivation. In the next class, we will study about the major crops cultivated in India.